In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a signature in Proton Mail. Start by opening Proton Mail in your browser. You should land in your inbox. At the top of the page, look for the gear-shaped settings icon and open it. In the quick menu that appears, choose all settings to switch from the compact panel to the full settings view. On the left sidebar, select Identity and Addresses. This is where Proton Mail keeps the details for each email address on your account. Find the address you want to customize and locate the signature section beneath it. Click into the signature box and type the text you want to add at the end of your emails. Keep it professional and concise. Include your name, role, and a preferred way to be contacted, and consider adding a website or scheduling link. Proton Mail supports basic rich text, so you can use formatting like bold, italics, or links to make key details stand out. Avoid pasting large images or long legal disclaimers, which can make messages harder to read. If you use multiple addresses, repeat this process for each one so every sender identity has the right sign-off. When you're satisfied, click Update to save your changes. Look for a brief confirmation so you know the update was successful. Now return to your inbox and compose a new message. In the message window, your signature should appear automatically at the bottom of the editor. If you have more than one address, try switching the From field to confirm the correct signature shows up for each identity. If the signature doesn't appear, head back to Identity and Addresses and make sure the text is saved in the correct address's signature box, then click Update again. That's it. You've set a clean, reusable email signature in Proton Mail, which saves time and keeps your messages consistent. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.